Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinith, class 9th standard. Now I am going to explain in this session first chapter real numbers exercise 1.5 sixth bit. See, I simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. You already know that for what we have to rationalize the denominator. See here, first question 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. See here, upside is numerator and downside is denominator. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2? 6 minus 4 root 2. Because while rationalizing the denominator, the plus sign will become minus and minus sign will become plus. Now we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. See here, like this we have to multiply. 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Like this we have to write and we have to multiply it by down also, up also. 6 minus 4 root 2. See here, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. See, observe it very carefully. This is in the form a minus b, a minus b. See here, a minus b, a minus b. A signs are equal and b signs are equal. So, a minus b into a minus b whole square. And down is in the form a plus b into a minus b. See, a plus b into a minus b. A signs are equal and b signs are equal. So, a square minus b square. See here, a minus b whole square. We have to write like this. A means 6 minus b means 4 root 2 whole square. You already next a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. A square means 6 square. B square means 4 root 2 whole square minus 4 root 2 whole square. See, you already know that a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. See, now we have to write a minus b whole square in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. See, a square means 6 square minus 2 means 2 here. A means 6. 2 into 6. B means 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Plus b square means 4 root 2 whole square. By 6 square 36. See here, 4 root 2 whole square now. Now here 4 root 2 whole square now. See, this is in this, there are two terms are present here, ab whole to the power of m. For these two terms only single exponent is present. So we have to separate it. 4 square root 2 whole square. Square root cancel here. Again now see here. 6 square means 36 minus 2 6 are 12. 12 into 4 48. 48 root 2 plus, again we have to separate it. 4 square root 2 whole square. Square root cancel here. By 36 minus 4 square means 16. 4 into 4 16. Into 2. Square root is cancelled here. See. Next 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 4 square means 16 into 2. By 36 minus 16 2s are 32. Next 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 16 into 2 means 32 here. 36 minus 32 4. See here two terms are present here and denominator only single term. Now we have to separate the term. See, 68 by 4 minus 48 root 2 by 4. 4 1s are 4 17s are 68 and 4 1s are 4 12s are 48. Now we have to write the final answer. 17 minus 12 root 2 is our final answer. See here. Now second one. Root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. Now here rationalizing factor of root 7 plus root 5, what is? Here plus sign is become. The answer, rationalizing factor of denominator, it become minus root 7 minus root 5. Now we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5. See, we have to multiply like this. See here, Observe it very carefully. This is in the form a minus b, a minus b. In previous question also same, a minus b whole square, and this is in the form a plus b into a minus b. See, a signs are equal and b signs are equal. A square minus b square. See, now we have to derive it. Root 7 minus root 5 whole square. Now a minus b whole square. A root 7, b root 5. A minus b means root 7 minus root 5 whole square by root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5 means a square minus b square. Now what is a square here? Root 7 whole square minus b square means root 5 whole square. Square root cancel here and square root cancel here. See, a minus b whole square, you already know that a square minus b, 2ab plus b square. Now we have to derive it. Root 7 whole, a square means root 7 whole square minus 2 into a into b now. 2, a means root 7, b means root 5 plus b square means root 5 whole square. See, here square root cancel here and square root cancel here. By 7 minus 5, 2. See, here 7 minus 2. See, these two are in the form root a into root b. Root terms are combined. Root ab. 7 5 is 35. Root 35 plus 5 by 2. See, 7 plus 5 here 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. Again, the numerator has 2 terms, denominator has single term. Now we have to separate it. 12 by 2 minus 2 root 35 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 ones are 2 ones are. The final answer is 6 minus 1 is negligible. So we have to write root 35. 6 minus root 35 is our final answer. See, here third one, 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. You already know that rationalizing factor of 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. See, here minus sign will plus sign. See, same process like that only. We have to write like this and we have to multiply and divide. See, here 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. We have to write same in every problem. See, observe here 1 into any number is that number only. See, here a minus b, here a plus b. So a square minus b square. See, 1 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is nothing but 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. A square means 3 root 2 whole square minus b square means 2 root 3. B square means 2 root 3 whole square. Again, here 2 terms are presented. We have to derive the exponents. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 square root 2 whole square minus 2 square root 3 whole square. Square root cancel here and square root cancel here. See, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 square means 9 into 2 minus 2 square means 4 into 3. Understand? 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 4. See, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 9 2 is 18 no. 4 3 is 12. See, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12 is nothing but 6. This is our final answer. Next, fourth one, 3 root 5 minus 7 root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. Now, what is the rationalizing factor of this denominator 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2? See, plus sign will become minus sign. So, answer is 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator. See, like this. We have to write the question as it is and we have to multiply the numerator and denominator. What is by 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2? Because rationalizing factor is minus here. See, observe it very carefully. These signs are not in these signs. So, we have to multiply it separately and see, observe in the denominators. See, a signs are equal and b signs are equal. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now, we have to multiply it separately. 3 root 5 into whole 3 root 3 minus root 2. Again, next minus root 7. Again, whole we have to multiply. 3 root 3 minus root 2. See, a square no. 3 root 3 whole square minus b square means root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. See, 3 3 is a 9. root 5 into root 3, root will combine here. 5 3s are 15 minus 3, single term is not present, we have to write 3 only, minus minus means minus only, root 5 into root 2 means root 10, 5 2s are 10, no, root 10 minus, see minus is present here, minus, plus into minus, minus, no, root 7 into 3 root 3, 3 single term we have to write 3, root 7 is there no here, root 7 into root 3 means root term is we have to combine, 7 into 3 means 21, root 21 plus, how it is placed here, see we have to multiply these two terms, so minus root 7 into minus root 2, minus into minus plus, root 7 into root 2 means 7 2s are 14, root 14, we have to derive it, 3 square root 3 whole square minus 2, square root cancel here, see 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 321 plus 14 by 3 square means 9 into 3 minus 2, same 9 3s are means 27 minus 2, 27 minus 2 nothing but 25. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon. Whenever I give the video, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching.